Hey guys, it's Roger. I'm on location in Mooresville at Brookside at Ashlyn Creek. Look at that ranch plan. Why does that look different? Because it feels like a custom house, and it's 4 sides brick, and it's from Niblock. Niblock is a great local niche boutique builder, and we're right next door to Ashlyn Creek proper, but this Brookside at Ashlyn Creek basically is allowing them to build really a boutique enclave of about 30 4 sides brick homes and still be priced in the mid-3s into the 4s and get just quality construction. You know, they're basically headquartered on the north side of Charlotte in the Concord area, and they've just really carved out a real niche for themselves. And we're looking at home sites now. These are available. This is a cul-de-sac, lot 13 for your reference there. And 14 is sold, 15 is available. People love these cul-de-sac lots, so give me a call and reference those numbers. And then backed up to the tree on the cul-de-sac is home site 17. That's a really nice looking tree line. And then 18 right next door. So if you want to spend $350 to $450, even into the upper 4s, you can get a 4 sides brick home in Mooresville. Yeah, really close to Lake Norman. So I can just put my name on this builder. They do the right thing, they step up, they build a great product, and they've just been constant over the years, even through the bust. Now this one's for sale on lot 21. Now look at that deep hip roof and the columns. That's an elegant ranch plan home. So give me a call at 704-345-3400. Wow, look at these. That's a deep lot backing up to the woods, number 22. And I would love to bring you here and show you these from Niblock Homes. And they have a number of neighborhoods on the north side of Charlotte, Concord, Harrisburg, Davidson, Cornelius, Huntersville, Mooresville, etc. I'd love to bring you to them. They even build on your lot. So let's go find a lot and interview them as a builder. Nice thing about doing that with a production builder that has a lot of homes to show, that you've got places to go, homes to see that are actually up and running. So give me a call, 704-345-3400.